Okay, so today I'm changing the battery on my 2022 Mazda Sport. I wasn't sure if I could do it myself, so I went ahead and took it out. I was able to. I just went to the store now and bought a new battery. So I'll try to film for you guys how to reinstall it. Which I think is cool anyways, because the other videos you see on YouTube, they show you how to take it out and then they tell you just do the reverse to put it back. So my video will be about putting it back, then you'll know how to do the reverse to take it out. So here we go. Man, it's cold. Okay. So you're gonna want to put it in this side because you got the positive on this side, the negative on this side. The negative is over here, and the positive. It's kind of heavy. Oops. It's pretty snug. It's good to keep the candle on, so when you want to take it out after, it'll be easier to grab. So you just push the handle down. And then you want to put back the sleeve. Okay, I think it's good like that. Then you want to put back, I guess this is called the bracket. The guy at the store said I can either put it under the handle for the battery or just push it down and put it over. I think I'd rather put it under. It's these ones here. These don't need to be that tight. Now if you want to tighten it with a socket, it took a 10 millimeter. And see how there's, I got the 10 short one, but you need the long one to fit, because the screw here is, the post is long. Do you hear that sound? I love that sound. Okay. Now you put the positive. When I took it off, I put them together to make sure I didn't lose it. No, I didn't. I didn't do that for real. See, this is why you always have to be careful and choose your words carefully. Did you hear what I said? I said I put them together so I don't lose it. What happened? I lost it. I dropped it. It went tick, 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 all the way down. There was no way of getting it back. So I should have said maybe I put them together so I always have it. I always catch it. I always find it. You gotta say the positive, not the negative. Because whatever you say, you create, you manifest. Okay, so yeah, I dropped one of the nuts all the way down. So I went back to the store. The guy was nice enough, he gave me one. So I put it here. I put it tight with my new ratchet that I bought today. By the way, these nuts, you need 10 millimeter. And for these ones, also it was a 10 millimeter, but like I told you before, with the longer socket. Now we just gotta connect the negative one, take the cover off. There. And I'm just gonna tighten up the nut. And here we are. Battery is connected. Negative, positive. And on the positive side, you want to put the cover back. There you go. All done. Now the moment of truth. Gotta start my car. Oh my god, the moment of truth. Should be good, right? I don't know. Ooh, yes! Success! Oh my god, I did it. Yes, we did it! And so that's how you replace your battery, your car battery.